Hey, this is Coach Gino here, TacticalTrading.com. Going to bring you another trading trick or tip, which we know as Gino's Trading Gems. The one I have for you today, very simple, very easy. A lot of people out there use a platform called Thinkorswim. I'm going to bring up the charts on Thinkorswim. There's, a lot of platforms out there give you a lot of data. I mean, indicators and things like that. And it's real easy to pile stuff up on your charts, a lot of your indicators. I even have half of them are not even showing on mine right now. But what you'll see down here is indicators. You'll see the chart up here, but what happens is you start squeezing too many things in there, you lose your space in the chart window. It starts to get very rectangle. And all of a sudden it's hard to see the trend because you have so much stuff piled up here. And it starts to look really flat after a while. So a couple things you could do, a couple little gems here. Number one, you could scrunch or crunch or smash your indicators down to get more room on this screen. But what I want to do is a couple things here. I want to make more room with the indicators. So I'm going to expand this beyond the indicators here. I'm going to show you how I created more space to go to the left-hand side of the screen. So simply what I'm going to do, number one gem, is I'm going to go up here to my settings on the sprocket. I'm going to overlap the volume. When I overlap the volume, look what happens here. The volume now loses its little area down here. It's behind the chart. And there's a lot of advantages to this. Number one, it creates more room so I can see less of a rectangle, more of a square, and easier to see the trending. And number two, I can actually see the volume spikes back here, how they relate to the candles. These volume spikes and which candle they're actually on. You can't do that when it's segregated down here in its own little window. So I could come over here and actually see, like, this is a green day or a recovery day or what have you. The volume actually stands out more. So just so you can see the difference, that again, overlap volume. See down here, you can't really see the spikes as good down here. Another thing I'm going to do, if you have a lot of space on the left side of your chart, I notice a lot of people have the space over here. All this right here is wasted area. Fill that up with your chart. Simply just go over here, back to the settings area, price axis. If that is checked right there, it says enable left axis, uncheck that. There's really no reason for it. Uncheck that. Hit apply. Now watch what happens to the space over here. I've got an extra couple of inches over there to fill the data. So back to the volume, overlap the volume. Now watch how much space this creates my chart. I have so much more space now to view the chart. I still have my indicators down here, a better view of volume, and a lot more area over here. That's just a couple things you can do to the chart. But there you have it, another trading gem you can add to the pile in your daily trading routine. Grab some more nuggets of knowledge at TacticalTrading.com.